Hey guys, what's good? I am Praveen. This is Maahek Nair from BodyProCoach Fitness. Today we're going to be teaching about triceps extension, skull crushers, or lying down triceps extension. We're going to be using two things. That's going to be a bar and a dumbbell. Alright? So it majorly works on the three heads of the triceps and gets you a great benefit of having your arms in a great shape. So of course your triceps are bigger than your biceps. That's the reason it's called as triceps. So you can definitely take more weight than the biceps for the triceps. So we're going to quickly get onto it and show the movement. So right now we're going to be using the bar in the first movement. Can you please fire? So the distance, you can use a straight bar or a zigzag bar or an EZ bar that I'm using right now here. It has different grips on this bar. As in, if you're taking a straight bar, it would be a shoulder width distance. The major focus is the triceps that comes down to be here. We're going to bend that elbow, get that bar towards the forehead. That's the reason it's called as skull crusher. Alright? So basic action is about extending the triceps, making the triceps straight or the elbow straight. Let's go down. Extend it up. Good now. Nice. So that's a simple movement at the top, and the beginning of the movement you can see the elbows are fully straight. At the bottom line, when the movement finishes over there, it comes to the forehead and extends again back up. So the major focus is going to be keeping the elbows in a straight line and driving it up. Now she's moving a lot of the hands. So elbows traveling out and elbows moving back towards too much would be a wrong action. So what you want to make sure that it stays really stick, a very constant kind of a situation, and the bar comes down to the forehead and extends. So only movement is being generated or created at the elbows, nothing else. Alright? So you want to make sure that the elbows stays in line with the shoulders and push the straight up. And as you contract, as you bring that hand straight up, that time you focus on breathing. Exhale. Good enough. Let's go. Now we're going to use the dumbbell and do the same movement. Let's go down to the back. Same movement, elbow same thing. The angle of the elbow same thing. It's just that as in a dumbbell, you can bring it down furthermore. So it can get you more range of motions. Good enough. So as you press, again you breathe out. Keep moving. Give me 5 reps. 5, last 4. Good job. Exhale up. 4, last 3. So very perfect movement. Elbows in the same place. Very simple movement happening on the elbow of extending the elbows. Great. Do you feel the elbows? And the triceps, of course. Alright guys, so that's all about triceps extension or skull crushers. Gets you the arms in a great shape and great way to work the complete triceps. So being said that, you want to make sure that you share the channel with your friends and family, and please go through the playlist that you get to know about the other program that we offer, like for example say TTLG, Max Core Pilates, recipes, and a number of information about how to do an intermittent fasting even. So it's very much in detail, and that are a few things that you need to get in shape, get fit. So our motive is very simple: help everyone to get fit. So alright, being said that, please subscribe and hit that bell icon that you always get to know about our videos, and we got about 7 times videos in a week. Alright guys, so thank you so much for tuning in. I'm looking forward to see you in the next video.